from arts to have a better understanding, an idea, and also a concept of what they think is important to them in the next few years and how we can all work towards achieving that. So over the next few weeks, that's what I'll be doing. And then prioritizing from those different conversations what we think we should start with, along with the guidance from the President and his vision for Zimbabwe. But for myself, I think it's an exciting time, and it's an exciting opportunity to create empowerment for our youth through sport, through arts, through recreation, through creating platforms and better support to our athletes, to our artists, in order so that they can grow and shine and accomplish and be recognized internationally. We've heard there's a lot of very vital things that need to be taken care of right away. That's where I'll be leaning on the permanent secretary, on the staff within the ministry. We're also going to be investigating a few different areas such as that, so that things can be put in place to stop that.